Hey, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm bringing you a very delicious beverage for the summer. We are going to be making a prickly pear pineapple fresca using our prickly pear beverage infusion. The cool thing about our beverage infusion in this recipe is that it actually contains the prickly pear. If you've ever been to the store looking for a prickly pear, you know that it's pretty near impossible to find one. We're even here in Southern California. I've tried to find prickly pears. It is like, I can't find them anywhere. So the great thing about this is that it actually has that fruit in there, so you can infuse your beverages with real prickly pear, simple and easily. So our first step here is we need to cut up our pineapple. I'm going to show you literally the easiest way to cut a pineapple. It is foolproof and it's not gonna drive you crazy. So the first step is we're gonna cut off the top and the bottom. And then just flip your pineapple upwards again, and we're going to go around and cut off all of the skin. And I find it easier to kind of do it like side by side, and then you'll get this little angle here and you can just easily slice that part off. All right, so now all of our pineapple skin is off. We're just going to cut this in quarters, lengthwise. And now we're just gonna cut out the core. So then take your quarters, flip it up. You can see your core very easily. And just cut that out. Because if you've ever bit into a pineapple core, it's not pleasant. All right, and there you have it. We just need to slice this up and we are going to put it into our blender. So I'm just going to slice this up. If there's any skin still left on your pineapple, just cut it off. All right, so next up, we're gonna add in a lime. We're just gonna cut it in half. We're just adding the juice of one whole lime. And it goes. Smells good. Nice and zesty, fresh, flavorful lime. All right, now we're gonna add in water, just 5 cups of water here. All right, and now for our finishing touch, we are going to add in our beverage infusion. We are just going to add in 4.5 pumps. All right, I'm just gonna pop this on the blender and we are going to blend it all up. All right, so we're just gonna take our strainer here, put it on top of the pitcher, grab this. Ooh, it is full. All right, I'm gonna be extra careful here and pour it in, let it strain. Be careful not to go over your pitcher line because you don't want it to spill on the counter. And just let it do its thing. You'll probably have to use a rubber spatula to kind of manipulate it to get all the juice there at the bottom. And you'll also probably have to dump this out quite a few times because there is a lot of pulp in here. All right, so here we have it, a delicious prickly pear and pineapple fresca. Just pour it over some ice. You can make a cocktail with it. You can add some seltzer water and kind of make this into a spritz. And of course, I had to get my cute little pineapple straw for this. Adorable, very fitting for the drink. Smells incredible. I feel like this is going to transport me to a tropical island. I really hope it does, because I need some sunshine. Oh wow, that's great. That is really, really good. Absolutely delicious. I could totally see myself making this into a margarita or some other kind of fun, tropical summertime beverage. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try at home. Even if you don't have prickly pear on your hands, you can use any of our other beverage infusion flavors. I think mango would be great, key lime, blueberry, any kind of fruity flavor would be a super delicious fit for this pineapple Fresca. So again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to hit subscribe down below. That way you never miss any new recipes like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Twitter. See you next time. Thanks for watching.